shoot you, I'll get in it. Woo! Don't you run over me. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I'm out here at my shop working. I've got a bunch of crap I've got to get cleaned up. I've got trailers I've got to move. I've got water tanks I've got to move. I've got old fertilizer pallets I've got to move. I've got a Ventrac. I got a tow motor. Somebody told me one time, don't ever take a knife to a gunfight, right? So it helps to have good friends, you know what I mean? Always good to make buddies and stuff. This is my buddy Caleb and his dad, Wally, and they own Carolina Grading in Stokesdale, yep, North Carolina, not too far from me. He's got a YouTube channel, Carolina Grading, Instagram, all that cool stuff. Go like, subscribe, and share, and be sure to tell all your buddies. Check him out. And although my Ventrac, man, I absolutely love it. You've seen all the videos, you see what it does, but sometimes it is limited. Of course, it can move some dirt if it needs to, but today I got a lot of dirt to move. So I asked Caleb, I said, hey, come over here, we'll video it. And this right here, you've seen my ABI Force. ABI makes this too. This is a SR3 Command series. This is like a rake attachment that goes on in front of a skid steer. And I'm telling you what, it is absolutely bad to the bone. Mr. Kevin, when we went to Indiana, he showed me how it works and everything, and I ain't never seen nothing like it. So they're going to help me. We're going to do some video of this thing working, and we're going to get this all finished. At the end of the video, I'm going to throw up a time lapse and let you see it from start to finish. So, y'all ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. It's incredibly fast. I cannot get over how quick this thing is. And these rippers right here, you can jab those things in the ground, loosen the ground up, and level it all at the same time. See this leveling bar right here? Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, I could run this thing all day long. Got air conditioning in it. Good day in the morning. Look at there, boy. Good day alive. Let's go up and cut this hump out. Oh snap. Rippers down. Look at that. Good day in the morning, boy. Boy, that thing's digging like its mind is bad. Holy cow. Tell you what, let's do. Let's push these rock up right here. All right, so Caleb and Wally and Pete, I got to run the machine.
Yes, you did.
I'm gonna tell you what, boy. I ain't nowhere near as fluid as Wally is, and probably not Caleb either, but I'm gonna tell you what, that thing is quite impressive. This ground's rock hard, and those teeth just get in there and rip it up, and I mean, it's amazing what that thing will do. And of course, you got the horsepower.
Night and day difference out here.
Yeah, you got the horsepower to pull it, and we look totally and completely different now. Now I think my water problem's about 80% solved, and the other 20 is going to be out here in the parking lot this winter. I'll kind of work it a little bit, and we're going to send all the water down there to the corner of the property. So, Mr. Wally,
Pete,
thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Thank you,
Mr. Caleb.
Had a lot of fun.
Absolutely, we had a blast. And hey, remember, Carolina Grading on YouTube. Check them out. I'll link all that in that description, and you can check him out, and we'll check you later.